And I think a big consideration is, how viable is this open source team over the long run? If you are going to pick open source, you want to look at things like, how big a community does that open source product have? And is that community, supportive of the types of usage you have? Because it's not always the case that an open source product that you may try to apply to testing is really focused on your type of testing. Another thing to consider when deciding, do I pick a commercial product or open source, is integrations, because most testing products can't solve all of your problems, and they depend on integrations with lots of other products and services in the ecosystem. And what you'll find is an open source team, they're going to choose the integrations that are interesting to the developers on the team. And those may not include integrations that are critical to your enterprise environment. So you really want to look at, are we getting the integration to the communication system or the reporting package or the monitoring system that we use in our organization? And similarly, and I think a big consideration is, how viable is this open source team over the long run? Because more than a few open source projects have ended up with being abandoned when the person who originally started it is no longer that interested in maintaining it. At that point, it either becomes something that you've got to maintain internally or something you've got to convert from. By contrast, a commercial organization that's viable and is operating for your and their benefit is going to be constantly incentivized to continue support, continue maintaining, continue building on the platform they've already created.